Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ActiveCampaign for your side hustle, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install ActiveCampaign for your side hustle, begin by visiting the ActiveCampaign website. Click on the sign up button located on the home page. Fill out the registration form with your email address and create a strong password. After completing the form, click Create My Account. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from ActiveCampaign. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the ActiveCampaign website and log in with your credentials. Upon logging in, you will be guided through an initial setup wizard. Start by selecting your primary goal for using ActiveCampaign. Choose from options such as growing your email list, increasing sales, or enhancing customer engagement. Next, input your business information, including the name and URL. Then, set up your first email list by clicking on Lists in the main menu. Select the Add a List button and name your list. Fill in the required details, such as the description and contact information. After saving your list, navigate to the Automations tab. Click on Create an Automation to set up automated workflows. Choose a template based on your selected goal or start from scratch. Add triggers to your automation such as signups or purchases. Next, include actions like sending emails or tagging contacts. Once your automation flow is complete, click Save. Now, go to the Campaigns section to create your first email campaign. Select Create a Campaign and choose your email type. Design your email using the available templates or the drag-and-drop editor. Customize your email content and ensure it aligns with your brand. Before sending, test your email by sending it to yourself. Once satisfied, set the audience for your campaign, and schedule or send it immediately. Finally, monitor the performance of your emails and automations through the reporting tools. This will allow you to refine your strategies and improve engagement over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.